Hello guys, and welcome to lesson number 2, where we'll be looking at how you can get Microsoft Office 365 and for you to be able to follow along this masterclass. Now, Microsoft Office have different versions, right? We have the Office 2009, I believe. Then we have Office 2013, the Office 2016, and then we have Office 365, which is the latest version. Now, what I'm about to teach you, or the masterclass we're about to have, the basic knowledge, right, is applied everywhere. You can use Office 2013, 2016, or even 2019, or Office 365, and you will still get the best that you'll still be able to be fine, right? You can follow along and you will be fine. But the goal here is that I want you to have a free Microsoft Office 365 account, right? So I'm going to show you how you can get a free Microsoft Office 365 account before we proceed, okay? Because I believe the new version has more features, right? Even though we'll not be learning about PowerPoint animation in this masterclass, but there are some basic animations and transition effects that are in the current Office 365 that I think, right, is best for presenting, right? So if you have them, it will be the best thing that you can do to yourself. So let's have a look at what we'll be learning today. So just head to YouTube, right, and search how to get Office 365 for free, right? And then scroll down and come to this guy, okay, this particular video by IT Tech, right? How to activate Microsoft Office 365 for free in 2022, right? So you click on this video and then you watch it, right? It will show you the process of how to create an account for free and then get the Office 365 for free, right? So I recommend you watch this particular video by IT Tech, right? This particular video, I recommend you watch it and you follow the step-by-step tutorial, and then you get the Office 365 account, right? But even if you don't have Office 365 account, you have Office 2030 or 2016, you can still follow along with this masterclass. But I recommend you come here and then you get access to free Microsoft Office 365 account before we delve into this masterclass. So now that you've gone through the introduction, you look at getting inspiration and resources, lesson number 1, and lesson number 2, you now have the Office 365 account. Go on ahead and install it and open PowerPoint, and let's begin. Let's have a look at the reason why you bought this masterclass. So I will see you in the next video where we'll be going straight to action. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.